doing?
I want to make a masterpiece for our bedroom.
Okay. What are we doing?
You wanna help me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, hold the funnel.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Okay. Remove it. I'm gonna make the base here.
All right.
Okay, this beautiful color.
What should I do?
You can add
Inside?
the funnel now, yeah.
In the paint?
Yeah,
Okay.
inside. Hold it steady. I'm gonna fill it up with paint, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this color first because I love it.
All right.
And I'm gonna,
What's next?
I'm gonna add this so
All
we
right,
can
some
have like an ombre effect.
baby blue.
Yes.
Always good.
Mhm.
It's looking cool.
And then I'm gonna add white.
Yeah, I heard that the colors really mix with the white.
Yeah, it will create an amazing effect.
Well, that's looking good.
Not that much. And here I'm gonna make.
Ooh, some marine blue, the
Yeah.
royal color.
Yeah, it suits you.
Thank you. Royalty.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna add the orange for contrast.
Oh wow, it's so vibrant.
Yes, look at
I
this
love it. It's
combination.
so rich.
I'm gonna put a little because I like this color.
Nice. That's it? Or more? Ah, some pink.
Yeah, my
Your
favorite color.
favorite
Yeah.
color. It's
Aw.
everywhere.
Okay,
Okay.
I think it's ready.
Yeah?
Now we have to lift it up.
You know what? You do the honors.
Oh my
I'm a bit scared.
Amazing. Okay. Look at this. I don't know if it will work, but
Oh wow.
look at this effect.
Are you seeing this?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wow. That looks really cool.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Oh my god, it's dripping.
What if we give it a bit of a spin?
Yeah. Okay.
I still
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
spin it anyway. So.
Wait. I have my work shirt on.
Yeah, protect.
Okay, go.
I think I'll put this color around.
Yeah?
So.
Okay. That's a major contrast to the rest of the
Yes,
paint.
I love this color.
Okay, just tell me when you're gonna spin.
Okay, ready?
All right.
And
Oh
it's
wow!
amazing.
You know what? Can I add something?
Of course.
Which one should I go with? The yellow?
Yeah, go with yellow.
All right. Ooh.
Oh my god, it looks beautiful. Yeah, use all of it. Amazing.
It's like a night after tacos. All right. Shall I give it a spin as well?
Yeah.
Hold this
You
for
have
me.
it.
Oh wow!
That's crazy.
All right, I think it's done. What else do we need to do?
I don't believe it was gonna work, but I think let's
Should we
add a bit
some
more color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe in the middle.
Okay. I don't think in the middle because
On the edges? Yeah,
Yeah,
you're right.
it needs to be spread around.
Okay.
So let's create this marble-ish
I
effect.
think this is like the final touch.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Last spin.
One last spin.
And we have a
okay?
new decoration in our house.
Oh my god. Look at it.
I think it's done.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
You like it?
I never knew you were a narcissist.
Oh.
Well done. I'm really proud of you. Well done.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Really nice.